Hi everyone, today we're going to try and draw a planet art. First of all, what we need to do is to start off with the top of the heart, just like so. Curve it right round, just like this. And then we can start with the other side, but stop short, just about here. So it's a bit like a 3 on its side. Then we're going to draw a curve just over here, a C shape, and continue it all the way along, right across and round. From here, I'm going to draw the other side of the ring, just like so. Bring it slightly narrower as it goes behind the heart. From here, we have to draw the bottom of the heart. It just meets from where we left off, out here to the point in the middle. Bit of a curve, and up again. We like to give the heart some eyes to make it look nice and cute. And the same on the other side. Just cut that in. The same with the heart's left eye. You can either put the mouth down at the bottom or up here just above the ring. Today I'm going to opt for it just to be above. And what we can do is just complete a few more hearts upside down over here, one more over here, just along, like that. To complete the drawing, we can add some stars just on this side. And we can start to colour in for completion of the drawing. I'd like to have a little bit of red and lighter colour on the outside. Let's use the wider section. So we can call this Planet Love or Heart Planet, whichever seems to make more sense. And by just leaving a little bit out around the edges, just give it a little bit more depth to the heart. We can actually colour them in in a different lighter colour, or we could leave it the way it is. I'm going to opt to give a little bit more colour just on the outside of the heart. And colour around the mouth back to the same red we were colouring with. Before we continue to do the ring. To the ring, a yellow colour might complement the red and the orange. The white bits, just to make sure it's nice and clean at the edges. Could leave those hearts blank, could give them a little bit more of a colour. I think purple will go well here. And just for completion here, now some blue for the stars. A little bit more around the eyes, just to neaten it up a little bit. Now we have Planetar. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe for more cool videos.